So what if I tell you that every single word which comes out of your mouth is self-hypnosis?
Nearly every word that comes out of my mouth is self-hypnosis.
It can bend reality. Every single thing which you speak, it can come into existence. You can speak things into existence just like be, and it is. That's how easy it is. Sounds like magic, right? It is. Now listen, you can hypnotize yourself into believing anything, and you can hypnotize yourself into disregarding some facts. You can bend the universe by just saying things. I can say that I want something and I can have it. It comes like magic. It happens. And I will teach you exactly how to do this. So this video is going to be the best video which you have ever watched in your entire life. I repeat, this video is going to be the best video which you have ever watched in your entire life, and it will be a short video. I will not take much long. Now listen, there are no fancy music, there are no fancy edits in this video, and it's just me and you. So listen carefully. Now I can hypnotize yourself into believing anything, right? And I will teach you exactly how to do it. First of all, I will tell you one thing. Don't imagine a pink elephant. Don't imagine a pink elephant. And guess what? Now you guys imagine the pink elephant. I hypnotize your brain into imagining a certain thing without its consent. Without your consent, I hypnotize you into imagining a pink elephant for no reason, right? And this also shows that your brain cannot differentiate between negative and positive commands. Now most of you guys are repeating to yourself throughout the day, I am not poor, or I don't want to be poor, I don't want to be late, I don't want to be embarrassed. You're repeating I don't want. Your brain cannot differentiate between negatives and positives. So now it's imagining all those scenarios. Now you're imagining being late, you're imagining being poor, you're imagining being weak, right? So if you speak that I don't want to be weak, you're imagining being weak. So don't speak like that. Instead say I am strong, and repeat it, right? Say I am rich, and repeat it. Repetition carries conviction. If you repeat anything for a long enough time frame, you will believe it. Your own subconscious and conscious mind will believe it. And in fact, not only you, even the people around you are going to believe it. If you speak anything for a long enough time frame, people are going to believe it. If I repeat for a long enough time frame that I'm going to make $100,000 in the next 3 months, if I just repeat it, I'm going to make $100,000 in the next 3 months. If I tell everyone, my friends, my family, everyone, and I repeat it multiple times, guess what? Everyone will start believing that Yash said that he's going to make $100,000 in the next 3 months. And if I do it, then it becomes a reality, right? I've spoken things into existence. I can just speak that I'm going to do 500 push-ups and I do it. Now things have become reality. Whatever comes out of my mouth, it becomes a reality. I hypnotize myself positively. I always say positive things about me. I constantly repeat I'm built different. I'm built different no matter what problem happens. Any problem comes into my life, no matter how big it is, I simply repeat I am Yash. I'm built different, right? Just saying my name is powerful enough for my mind to get out of any problem. That's how powerful I've become. That's how powerful hypnosis is. That's how you speak things into existence, right? Now, when you speak things into existence, when you learn how to speak positive things throughout the day, it starts to come into reality. I will tell you how. You must have seen some people who constantly repeat negative things about themselves, who constantly say, bro, I'm unlucky, man. Bro, I don't know how to do this. Bro, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to make money. I don't know how to do this, do that, right? Who constantly say that they are unlucky. Guess what? Their whole reality is unlucky. You can see that they are unlucky. This universe bends in a way to prove that yes, you are right, you are unlucky. And then there are people like me who constantly repeat, I'm the luckiest man, I'm the smartest man, I'm the strongest man, and I'm built different. I constantly repeat these things, right? You can go to my Twitter page. There's a link in the description. You can go to my Twitter page and you can see all of the tweets are positive hypnosis towards myself. I always repeat good things to my own mind. I always speak good things. I always think good things. Now I'll tell you one more thing. Why speaking good things is important. That is because whenever you speak something, you reaffirm it within your mind 3 times. I will tell you how. First, in order to speak something, you need to think about it, right? Before speaking anything, you need to think about it in your mind. So first you are thinking about it. Second, you are speaking it from your mouth. Third, you are again listening it through your ears, right? So 3 times you're listening to the same thing. And guess what? I just told you to not imagine a pink elephant once, and you actually imagined it. Now imagine whatever you're speaking yourself, you're reaffirming it 3 times. This is the reason why it's more important to speak good things to yourself. What you speak is more important than what you hear. You might hear negative things. Now I'll tell you how media controls you, how everyone controls you, how school system controls you. Do you remember the COVID times, the Corona times? The media constantly repeated that COVID is extremely dangerous, people are dying on the streets. They constantly showed you the images and videos of people falling on the street. A guy is walking down the street and he falls down immediately and dies. Right? These are the images which they showed. People locked up in their houses, everyone dying. Did it actually happen that way? No. COVID was there. The virus was there. It was real. I'm not saying it was fake. It was real. But the fact that people are dying on the streets, that never really happened. I never saw it. Nobody ever saw it. But media showed it to you. They repeated one thing continuously over and over again so that your own mind will believe it and you will live in fear. This is how they instill fear. Since childhood, you are told making money is hard. Money doesn't grow on trees, man. It requires a lot of it requires a lot of hard work to make money, right? They tell you these things. In fact, they even tell you that it needs money to make money, right? They tell you things like this. No, it's false. This is just hypnosis. They are hypnotizing you into believing that making money is hard. Repeat good things to yourself. Just say making money is easy. Money flows to me, right? I found a way to make money. I can make money easily, right? I can find a way. Just repeat these things to your own self. Hypnotize yourself into believing that making money is not hard. Money does grow on trees. Tell people, just go out, see the skyscrapers, man. See the cars. Everything is owned by someone, right? These skyscrapers that you see, that is owned by someone. In videos, in movies, you see luxury cars, right? Lamborghinis and Ferraris. You see in videos on social media. Every single car is owned by someone. Someone in the world has that car, right? There's so much money in the world. So yes, money does grow on trees. Making money is easy. You're just hypnotized the wrong way. There are a lot of things to learn, and I cannot teach everything on YouTube, right? I will get banned. They will literally ban me from any social media platform if I reveal the true secrets here. So you need to join my free Telegram channel below. It's an uncensored platform, and I can teach anything there. So join my free Telegram channel. Link is in the description, and I'm going to change your entire life. Leave a subscribe, leave some likes, and keep on supporting. And watch how Yash spreads his magic.